So this is my review of the 80 volt Kobalt brushless lawnmower. I will be using it. It comes with the Kobalt 80 volt 2.5 amp batteries, the weed whacker and the blower come with the 2 amp, and the snow blower comes with the 6 amp one. So as far as the 2 amp version goes on the lawnmower, you cannot use it. Well, you could try, but it will just keep shutting the lawnmower off because it can't handle the power. The 2.5 amp battery, you can use them, but on, let's just say, a 1/4 acre, you will probably be replacing the battery 2 times throughout mowing the lawn. The 6 amp battery will actually last the entire time doing your lawn. And for reference, this is how tall my grass is out here, and I will be cutting it with the Kobalt electric lawnmower 80 volt with the 6 amp. What my yard looks like after I got done mowing it with the Kobalt 80 volt, and it sits right against the wall, nice and compact.